she's very gentle. Yes, nobody comes in here to feed the elephants, so this is a very VIP thing, so I take advantage of that.
Oh, you want to do it? I'll help you.
Except for me.
I want to do it. I've never done it.
Fully to it.
Look, you can hold it by the end. It doesn't even touch you. Yeah, it's like...
Here, you guys can feed this whole bucket. So.
You're going to do it. Look, Matt, you want to do it? Matt, you want to do it?
I want to get fully.
We have other elephants that's feeding our those noises. Don't be scared, she's really nice.
So you want to do it?
Yeah, good job.
I'm going to help you do it.
So they basically use their trunk like a finger. So she breathes out of this. So see these two nostrils here?
Yeah.
So she breathes out of that. She eats. Oh, sorry, Lola's not. But okay, we got some more. Anybody else?
You want to do it? Look at all of these. She says, are you going to feed me or what?
She's perfect. All right, it's not do anything. She's almost 8,000 pounds.
Help her. Parker, you want to do any more? You want to do any more? I have never in my life fed an elephant. You want to do it?
You want another one? She's good. She's really nice. There you go. Okay, so put your hand up.
You what?
Oh, good job. That's awesome, huh? Anybody else before you let
You
me
want to do
trees?
it?
Yeah.
You want to do it again? She said the whole bucket.
Yeah.
Do it. It's awesome. Cool, you going to do it? You want me to help you?
I know. It's pretty cool, huh?
Oh, I was like, no, wait. Here, I'm going to do it. Look, it doesn't even touch your hand.
No.
Look at, well, watch. If you hold the long one out like this, it doesn't even touch your hand.
She's actually much gentler than a horse. There's no teeth in there.
There's no teeth.
Nope.
Look, it can't hurt you because there's no teeth.
She's very gentle.
Are you sure you don't want to do it? It's pretty cool.
Make full to it.
I'm not going to make it. He doesn't want
Fully.
it. You sure you don't want to do it?
Fully
You're
to
going to
it.
do it.
There you go. Awesome. Good job.
You're sure?
I know she's really big, but I promise she's really nice.